Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can use Hedra AI. In order to do so, here we are at Hedra.com. And if you're unfamiliar with Hedra, it is a site that you can bring your characters to life with AI. And basically, it allows you to add lip sync to your images. So let's go ahead and get started here. So if you are just starting for the first time, you can see here, start for free. Let's go ahead and click on that. And then from there, you will be prompted to log in. But once you're logged in, then you're going to see a screen similar to this. We have three main areas here. And in the first one, we have our audio. And what you can do is you can either write what you would like your character to say. So let's go ahead and just give an example there. And if that's what you want your character to say, then that's what your character is going to say. Otherwise, you can use the record option. And the record and the upload option are pretty similar. Essentially, if you have audio that you already have recorded, then you can bring that into upload, or you can just click on record, and then you could start recording, and then you could say whatever it is that you want to say. And Hedra is going to apply that lip sync to your characters. But let's go ahead and just use the write function. And here we have our character page. So a couple things you can do here. You can upload an image, or you can generate an image, or you can click here and capture an image of yourself. So if you want to add lip sync to yourself, you can do that. Let's go ahead and go to generate, and we're going to describe our character and click create to generate. So let's go ahead and just do something fairly similar, simple here. And let's just go ahead and set, say, a reporter, and let's go ahead and hit create. And that's one of the nice things here about Hedra, is that it's actually going to give us an option to create an image. So that's quite nice that they have added that. So here we have our character. Here we have our audio that we're going to input. And then from there, we are going to select create, I believe. Let's go ahead and try that. Nope, that's just going to, let's try clicking the plus sign. Okay, so this is just going to give us different options. What we're looking for is we're looking for the generate video. So let's see here. So it's telling us here that we need to add a voice to generate a video. We've already added our, oh, I see. So what we need to do is we need to select a voice. I see, I see. So we're going to go ahead and click select voice, and then you can see here that we have a variety of voices that we can choose from, or we even have the option to create a voice. So let's go ahead and just click on that really quick. You can see here that we have the option to clone a voice or design a voice. This is going to require you to use a subscription, however. So let's go ahead and select a voice. And in this case, we're going to go ahead and go with Brian. And so we've selected that, and now you can see that our generate video button has lit up. So we can go ahead and click on generate video. And one of the nice things about Hedra is that it does allow you free credits daily. So if you want to come to Hedra and you want to try it out, that is one of the nice things about it, is that I believe you get 5 generations per day. And that's pretty generous, actually. So, and I have used Hedra myself, and the results are really quite nice. It's very expressive. The only downside that I'll say about Hedra is that it is somewhat static in terms of your characters and how they're able to move. So they're really going to be quite stationary, and you do get a lot of expression in the face, but there's not much movement. As far as I know, if your character is moving around in a scene or something like that, then you are somewhat limited in that regard. But the results of the lip sync are really quite nice. So we'll see here that our job is being queued, and you can see that it's working there. So we'll go ahead and give that some time to work its magic. And in the meantime, let's go ahead and we'll just click on this here and give you an example of what Hedra looks like. So let's just click on play on our character here.
Don't worry, citizen. I'm here to help.
So there you go. So that gives you some idea of what a animated character looks like, and that is actually audio that I uploaded myself. So we'll just click that one more time so you can see.
Don't worry, citizen. I'm here to help.
So that gives you some idea of how you can play with Hedra. And here our other option is still being generated. So let's just give that a moment to finish. Okay, so this has been kind of hung there. Usually it only takes about a minute to finish, but for some reason this is just hanging. So let's go ahead and take a look at this here, which is basically the same thing. I created a reporter and used the same audio input. So let's go ahead and just hit play on this so you can see for yourself.
Welcome to Skillcraft.
So there you go. We'll hit play on that one more time.
Welcome to Skillcraft.
So
Welcome to Skillcraft.
that gives you an idea of what the results are when you use one of the inbuilt voices that they provide for you. So some pretty cool stuff that's available. And there you go. Now that's finally finished. So let's go ahead and hit play on that.
Welcome to Skillcraft AI.
There you go. So that gives you an idea of what you can do with Hedra. And you can upload about a minute of dialogue. So you can really kind of play around with that. But you only get 5 generations per day on the free plan. Let's go ahead and click upgrade here so we could see what our options are. So you could see here for the basic, it's $10 a month, and that gives you 20 minutes of generation per month. You also get those 5 generations per day, but the 20 minutes I've used, and you could do quite a bit with that. But for 25, you get 1 hour of video, and for 50, you get 2 hours of video. And generally speaking, I would say that the results with Hedra tend to be really quite top tier of the different lip sync options that are out there. You get some really nice results with Hedra. As I said, it is somewhat limited in terms of the character movement, but the lip sync itself is really quite expressive compared to some of the other options that are out there. So that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.